Now paper number 79, Rrb Clerk Prelims. Now in this one, question numbers 1 to 5, they are based on parallel rows. And how many persons are there? There are some 8 persons seated in a row, seated in 2 different rows. Now here row 1 PQ, ST and all of them are facing towards north, PQ, S and T. And in row 2, now A, B, C, D, they are facing towards south. Then S sits second to the right of Q. Where is this S? S is seated second to the right of Q. Now Q is here, S will be here, that is one possibility. And in the second case, now Q at this place, S will be here. Either Q or S is at extreme ends of the line. The one who faces Q is an immediate neighbor of B. The one who is facing Q is an immediate neighbor of B. Now here again, the one who is facing Q is immediate neighbor of B. B can be at any one of these two places. And next one, and one of the immediate neighbors of B faces the one who sits to the immediate left of B. Now one of the immediate neighbors of B and faces to the one and who is to the immediate left of B. Now B is here and one of the immediate neighbors of B. One of the immediate neighbors of B, that means these two persons are opposite to the one who is to the immediate left of P. Where should this be? P must be here. And if P is here, then who is the person left over here? T is the person. Then one person in between C and D. And D does not face S. As D is not facing S, and D will be here, and C is here, A will be here. Now this is about question numbers 1 to 5. The next one, now 6 onwards, it is based on coding and decoding. Some 5 questions given under this coding and decoding. Now in this back side turn after, now if you compare the first and the second statement, what is the word that is common between these two? And side is the word that is common between these two. As side is the word that is common, and the code that is common between these two is, what is the code we have? And UR, PR, KR, and the code for side is KR. Now if side is KR, then if you compare the first and the third, back, turn, after, now turn is the word that is common between the first and the third. As turn is the word that is common, and the code that is common between these two are LR. The code for turn is LR. Then if you compare 1 and 4, and back and after, now after is the word that is common, and the code that is common between these two, and NR. The code for after is what? After is NR. Then, now here finally we are left with the word back, and the code to the word back is SR. Back is SR. Then if you compare the second and the third, every look must, now look is the word that is common between second and the third. Now look is the word that is common between these two, and the code that is common between these two is UR. Now look is UR. Then if you compare the second and the fourth, every and must. Now must is the word that is common here, and the code that is common between these two is PR. The code for must is PR, and must is PR, must is PR. And finally, now the word every is left here, and the code that is left over is FR. The code for every is FR. Then if you compare the third and the fourth, close, then, take, clear. Now these are the two words are left over in each of this one, close and then. And what are the codes we have? CR, TR. And in the same way, and take and clear. Now in this one, take and clear. And again the code is MRWR. Now these are the words and their corresponding codes. Then coming to this one, what is the code to the word back? And the code to the word back is SR choice for 6. And what is the code for every? Every is FR choice 3. And which of the following is the code for MR? MR is either take or clear. Take or clear, 3 or 4, choice 5. 9th one, and what is the code to the word close? CR or TR? Isn't it? Hence it cannot be determined, choice 5, question number 9. Then, because the question about is means we need to determine a definite code. Definitely we cannot say, hence cannot be determined, choice 5. Then 10th one, what is the possible code for look, then, and turn? Now look, then, and turn and turn what is the code here, LR, and look, and then look is UR, and the code for then. And what is the code for then? CR or TR. UR LR, UR LR must be here, and UR LR TR. Is it possible to have TR? And yes, UR LR TR is not given here, hence it must be the code to the word. Clear? Then next one, 11 onward. Now 11 to 15, now 7 persons are working in a Dell company, isn't it? And how many departments we have? 3 departments. 7 persons, 3 different departments, more than 1 person each of this one, and it comes in which category? Common parameter. Then designing is one, and next one is marketing, and what is the third one we have? And production. Designing, marketing and production. Now in these 3, altogether there are some 7 persons and 3 different departments. Then at least 2 persons work in the same department, but not necessarily in the same order. S work in production department. Where is S? S is in the production department, and but not with you, and so you cannot be here. And V and T are working in the same company and same department. R works in either production or marketing. R is either production or in marketing. That means R cannot be in designing, isn't it? Then next one, and P does not work with T. Now P and T are not working in the same department, and Q and V do not work in the designing department. Now Q cannot be here, V cannot be here. As Q and V cannot be in these 2 departments, then R and Q work in the same department, and R and Q are working in the same department, isn't it? And S does not work with D, and S and T are not working together. As S and T are not working together, hence V and T cannot be here. Hence where should this be? V and T must be marketing. Because, and V cannot be here, and V cannot be here, hence V and T in marketing. If V and T are in marketing, then P and T are not working in the same. Now coming back to this one, R. R and Q are working in the same department. As R and Q are working in the same department, R and Q cannot be here, isn't it? Hence where should this R and Q? And R and Q must be in the production. Now 3 persons, 2 persons were done, and the remaining 2 persons, P and U must be here. Then, now this is about question numbers 11 to 15. Then next one, 16 onwards. Now in this question number 16, and they are based on set of words. Now how many letters are there as per the English alphabetical order between the second letter of the third word and second letter of the third word. What is the second letter of the third word? N. And second letter of the second word from the left, and second word from the left, M. Now in between these 2, when all the words are arranged in English dictionary order from left to right, and first all the words must be arranged in English dictionary order. Now this is 1, and this is 2, and this is 3, 4 and 5. Now in this one, then we need to find out second letter of the third word. And what is the third word we have? And ETN. What is the second letter we have? T. And the second word from the left, and second letter of the second word from the left. Now second word from the left is what? CNR. And what is the second letter? N. Now between T and N, how many letters are there? 5. 5, that is choice for question number 16. Then 17, first and the third letters are interchanged. The second letter is changed to the next. Then how many words contain at least 2? Now the first and second, all letters are interchanged. Anyhow, those letters will be in the same word, isn't it? And there is nothing to do with this one. Now A will become B, and here M will become N, N will become O, and P will become U, and U will become V. Now here U and E are the 2 vowels we have, that is choice to question number 17. Then 18th one, the first and the second alphabets are interchanged. Each word is interchanged. How many meaningful? AHT, MAP map, NCR, and PEN10, and USD. And how many words that can be formed? 2. And 18, that is choice 4. The next one, 19th one. The words are arranged according to English dictionary order, from right to left. Which are the following will be second from the right? Second from the right, from right to left. This is the first one, CNR is the second one. And that is choice one, question number 19. The next 28. Each vowel in the word is changed to the previous letter and consonant next letter. Then, how many words contain vowel? How many words contains vowel? Then vowel in the word changed to previous means vowel will be changed, isn't it? Then consonant next letter, H plus 1 I, T plus 1 U. Here there are two vowels, M, N, P, Q, and N, O, R, S, C, U, N, O, and S, T, G, H. Then how many words contains vowel? Now here there is the vowel, and so on. And since three of the words we can find vowels, that is choice 5, question number 20.